But it's when you get to the other side, you get to the international dateline, which they're just like,
Yeah, that's a mess. That's the date line.
Oh, wow.
yeah, the dateline's a fucking mess. Look at that thing.
That thing is the reason why there's a plus 14 and a minus 12.
Look at that. There's a plus 14. It's right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that actually is perfect proof of an argument we had about 6 years ago when I said that there's 50 hours in a day.
Go ahead.
There's 50 hours in a day if you add
talk.
if you like plus 14 and minus 12, 50.
That's 36, dude. Plus 14 minus 12 is
A day is
36.
24 hours long.
That's
It starts
36.
at 1 hour and it ends 24 hours.
Plus 14 minus 12 is 36.
What's 24 plus 36?
I'm telling you, 20 plus 14 minus 12 is 36.
If there's 20, if the day lasted 1 hour, then yeah. If the day is 24 hours, it's why are we having this argument again? It's 50 hours.
It's 36.
A date lasts for 50 hours from beginning of the plus 14 to the end of minus 12. On the end of the day, 50 hours.
Okay, so to understand what Gav's going on about, we're going to want to use some sort of visual aid. Let's look at the map they gave us and see what we would need to do to have the longest day possible. So we're going to have to start as far in front of GMT as we can, and that would be at the plus 14 time zone. Our day would start at midnight, and we'd be able to spend 24 hours staying in this one time zone. As midnight moved around the Earth, we would experience our first 24 hours of today. Then, just as the clock was about to strike midnight, we would move across the international dateline, and although the time won't change, we will find ourselves starting the day over again. This gives us an extra 24 hours that we can spend in today. This gives us the 48 hours that Gus was talking about when he said that Gavin was right. However, because of the way that the international dateline zigs and zags, we can actually move over 2 additional time zones to gain ourselves an extra 2 hours. When midnight finally catches up to us again, we'll have had a total of 50 hours in today. So Gavin was right.